The Scripps Research Institute was founded in 1924 and since then has grown to be one of the top research institutions in the United States. We study how viral antigens interact with the immune system to inform vaccine and therapeutic design. A lot of our research is basic science, so we're looking at how we stabilize proteins, what these proteins look like, where they're incorporated in the actual viruses or other things. The biggest challenge for us in our field started with the advent of direct electron detectors and advanced camera. We had an expansion of not only our capabilities, but also the data that was generated by the microscopes themselves. And we worked to build a platform that could accommodate this and allow us to operate day to day. Our biggest factor in considering a solution is uptime and availability, right? We want high availability, we want the platform to be accessible from everywhere, and we want the platform to be able to not only take in the data that is generated at an alarming pace by these microscopes, but also allow the scientists to use that platform to process the data downstream into the results that they need. Once we had the data platform in place, we were able to capture data streaming live from the microscopes around the clock. This enabled us to operate on it in real time and sped up all of the workflows that followed. Previously, if we wanted to design a protein, we would have to have a scientist sit for days or even weeks manually designing where the molecules would be in the protein before they even produce it. Generative AI models for protein design take the legwork out that was previously required in building the scaffold from scratch. Now scientists can start with more mature models before they have to intervene in their design steps. In the past, data processing in cryo-EM was a daunting task. It could take upwards of months to get an answer after you collected data on the microscope, after months of prep in the lab itself. The solutions that are in place enable us to have a solid platform where all of that data can go and where scientists can interact with it as needed to solve the problems that they face in their research. So the biggest impact on our research has been the ability of the researcher to separate from the problems of infrastructure. Our scientists are able to come here, log in, collect their data, process their data, and not have to worry about where it's stored, whether it's still going to be there the next week, or if they are running out of space. Faster answers lead to faster discoveries, right? So having a high-performance data intelligence platform at your disposal allows you to spend more time on the research that you're interested in. Building out a solution that meets your needs allows you to spend less time worrying about your bottom line and more time focused on the problems that you care about.